Hola. So this vlog I'm shooting from Cochin right now, but the vlog is not about Cochin. It is about this recent business trip that I did to a small city called Vadodara, located in the state of Gujarat. It was a small business trip, but I was determined that whatever spare time that I have will be spent in doing sightseeing. And the two main things that were on my list for the sightseeing were this one statue, which is actually the tallest statue in the world at present, and the second was this beautiful palace called the Lakshmi Niwas Palace. The Lakshmi Niwas Palace is located right in the heart of the city. In the year 1721, a brave Maratha general, Belaji Rao Gaikwad, conquered this state from the Mughal Empire. From then on, the Gaikwad dynasty was set up in Vadodara, and various members of this dynasty ruled the kingdom. The most notable contributions were made by the Gaikwad ruler Sayaji Rao, who made primary education compulsory, set up many libraries and universities, and also built this palace. On my visit to the palace, I happened to meet a few royals, the royal beagle and the royal bulldog and their caretaker.
अभी है उसका समरजीत गायकवाड़
समरजीत
गायकवाड़
महारानी है
शुभांगी राजी राजी ये रंजीत मनोज क्या और
अच्छा अच्छा
बच्चे
एक ही है
एक बच्चे दो छोकरी
The palace compound is of over 500 acres and it remains the residence of the royal family. The palace was built in the year 1890 and is on the Indo-Saracenic revival architecture. It was built by a British architect. के अभी कितने लोग रह रहे हैं महाराजा साहब के साथ?
कम है बहुत कम है कम है अभी 10-15 आदमी है ज़्यादा नहीं
अच्छा
2-3 भाई मैं अकेला है
अच्छा
जाने का किसी
ओ डॉग्स कितने हैं महाराजा साहब के?
कम है नहीं है यही दो ही है
अच्छा घोड़े थे तो कितने घोड़े थे?
उसका घोड़ा 2-3 हज़ार तक खरा
After seeing this majestic palace, we started towards our next destination, the tallest statue, also known as Statue of Unity. It took us a 2-hour road journey to get to the Statue of Unity, which is located at the banks of the river Narmada. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of the Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was also the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. He was highly respected for his leadership in uniting the 562 princely states of India into a single union after independence. The statue stands at a height of 182 meters and currently is the tallest statue in the world. Online tickets can be booked for the visit, and express lines are available at a higher cost in case you want to cut the queue. It was open to public viewing from October 2018 onwards. Inside the statue, at the base, various auditoriums showcasing the making of the statue and life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel are available. Lifts can be taken to reach the top of the statue, from where a bird's eye view of the surrounding area is available.